Welcome to Agritech Marvels, your one-stop destination for exploring the latest technological advancements in agriculture. We're passionate about showcasing the incredible innovations that are transforming the way we grow food and feed the world. We believe that technology has the power to revolutionize agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and productive. We'll take you on a journey through the fields of the future, where robots toil alongside farmers, drones monitor crops from above, and data analytics optimizes every aspect of the agricultural process. Green Climber LV800 Pro, conquering challenging terrains. The Green Climber LV800 Pro stands out as an innovative remote-controlled slope mower meticulously designed for tackling challenging terrains and steep slopes with ease. Tailored for mowing and maintaining vegetation on inclines, hillsides, banks, and other hard-to-reach areas, this robust mower navigates slopes of up to 60 degrees with precision. Its powerful engine ensures excellent cutting performance, while the user-friendly remote control system allows operators to maneuver the machine safely from a distance. Hammer Diesel JWD Pile Driver, pioneering pile driving. The Hammer Diesel JWD Pile Driver awes with a stupendous impact force, up to 70 tons, ensuring swift and secure pile driving. This marvel is the ultimate choice for projects demanding precision and efficiency, building strong and unshakable foundations with unwavering strength and reliability. AC Drive P&H 4100 class, transforming mining shovels. The AC Drive P&H 4100 class mining shovels have emerged as essential contributors to the global mining industry, delivering enhanced productivity, efficiency, and reliability. These shovels employ an alternating current AC drive system, which offers superior power density, improved control, and greater efficiency compared to traditional direct current DC systems. This advanced power system facilitates faster cycle times, increased digging capacity, and overall improved performance. Eagle Wheel Trencher, trenching for all terrains. New Eagle Wheel Trenchers are specialized equipment used for digging trenches in the ground, essential for various purposes such as laying pipes, cables, or drainage systems. These trenchers are recognized for their durability, efficiency, and versatility in handling different types of terrain. In the realm of heavy-duty excavation, crawler trenches often take precedence over wheel trenchers due to their capacity to handle larger loads and operate effectively in challenging conditions. The Caterpillar 990K and 775G, luminaries of limestone mines. In the embrace of radiant sunlight at limestone quarries, the indomitable duo, Caterpillar 990K and 775G, traverse the terrain as stalwart champions. Their unrivaled strength empowers the transformation of colossal limestone blocks into energy-rich materials loaded onto massive trucks. These machines radiate tireless innovation and relentless zeal within mineral-rich landscapes. BWS 160FR, versatile heavy load transport. The BWS 160FR is a versatile and powerful machine designed for the transportation and handling of heavy loads across a range of industries. Its robust construction and high load capacity make it a suitable choice for carrying substantial payloads while ensuring stability and safety during transportation. A key feature of the BWS 160FR is its exceptional maneuverability and versatility, thanks to its unique hydraulic detachable gooseneck, enabling easy loading and unloading of equipment. Conrad HL20N1 Versatile Harvester. The Conrad HL20N1 is a six-wheel harvester machine primarily designed for use in medium to large wood forests. It exhibits versatility and power, capably harvesting a wide range of trees and shrubs, including hardwood and softwood species. Thanks to its balanced mass distribution, it optimizes ground pressure, achieving the maximum retention of even soft soil. The CAT 615B Demolition Machine. Precision and potency. The CAT 615B Demolition Machine stands as an icon of strength and professionalism in the construction sphere. This machine, equipped with cutting-edge technology, swiftly and effectively dismantles massive structures. Infused with sensors and artificial intelligence, it precisely regulates impact force and position, curtailing dust during demolition and minimizing inadvertent damage. Mighty motors and meticulous hydraulics render it adept at managing formidable structures with ease. Remote control capabilities and a user-friendly interface elevate operator flexibility and safety, setting new benchmarks in construction.